Hello everybody, welcome to Medic Bikers 2007. Today we will have a shooting range video showing the Ruger 1022 with a Tapco stock. Also we'll be shooting the Walther P22. It's a great gun to practice and get accurate in the range. There's me, and thank you and welcome to the show. Let's start shooting. Now I'm gonna try recording through my camera looking through the sights of the Walther P22 so you could get an idea of what it looks like when you aim through the Walther. Yeah. The Walther P22 is a pretty accurate gun. If you get your hands on one, don't think about it twice. Just purchase it and enjoy it. There it is. Well, that's enough of the Walther P22. Let's get out the Ruger 1022 now. I've upgraded it. Have a new stock, scope, foregrip, rear stock, tripod mount, muzzle flash, upper rail for the scope, flashlight mount. I love this weapon. It's actually one of my favorite guns and rifles that I own. Let's see how good it does. This is a pretty good shooting range, but the only problem is that sometimes it can get pretty warm once you're in your lane shooting. I mean, look at my forehead. I'm all sweaty. Look at my left cheek. Look at that. Look at that sweat drop pouring down. That's crazy. That means you're really concentrating if you got sweat pouring down your cheek and your forehead like that. Oh yeah. Okay, now I put new stickers on the mouth and in the middle chest of the target here. And I'm gonna I'm gonna try aiming with my camera down the scope so you can get an idea of what I see when I'm shooting at 30 or 50 yards away. And this is pretty much it. It's a little hard to get the right image through the scope and through the camera, but this is pretty much as good as it's gonna get. Enjoy. Okay, it's been a pretty good day at the shooting range. I always like finishing my day with a little bit of precision shooting. I have this red and white target with little diamonds that when you shoot at those, it's equivalent to shooting at 100 yards. Uh, so I just finished off shooting with the Ruger 1022 with the tripod, and it did pretty well. I'm very happy with the results, and I'm looking forward to the next day that we come out to the range. Probably I'll be bringing my wife next week, have her shoot the Glock, the Springfield XD40, and the Mossberg 500. Oh yeah. These are the shells that I dropped today. The range is almost empty, and now it's pretty much time to go home and clean and lubricate the rifle and the Walther. All right, thanks again for watching, and have a good week. Subscribe and comment. Thank you so much.